Hi there, welcome. So you're entering into a Jayco J-Flight travel trailer. It's about 24 feet long, and this one will sleep 2 people. It's got beautiful stadium seating, so you can watch any TVs or whatever, or movies on the big screen over here. Seating for 4. And you're looking at the kitchen currently, which has stove, convection oven, microwave, fridge and freezer, and a nice big sink to wash all your dishes. This particular unit also has, along with the television we talked about, has a beautiful electric fireplace that actually puts out heat. So if you need some extra heat or just a little ambiance, you'll have that there. As you walk towards the front side of this travel trailer, you'll come to the bathroom. And as you walk through, you'll see it's just like your bathroom at home. This bathroom has 2 doors to it, one from out here in the hallway, one that goes into the bedroom. And this travel trailer now has a queen-size bed in the back, plenty of storage, and is very comfortable. And that's about it for this travel trailer, so let's take another walk over and we'll go check out the other one.